So today I'm going to talk about how I fixed my hot tub inserts. My casing was fine. As you can see, it started building up water, and eventually it looked like this. And those panels, basically what happens is those panels get soaked with water once the mill wrapping breaks on them. So you can see here's the panel. I took it out, and I actually weighed each panel. And this one you'll see on the next screen here that it weighed about 53 pounds. The other one weighed over 60 pounds. So total, the unit weighed about 120 pounds. Now, two things you'll see in the next slide. One, the cost of the new kit would have been $459.99. I spent about $60. And then you'll see the weight. The total weight was actually 44 pounds. So this unit was almost triple. So as I mentioned, I made a quick Home Depot run. I went and got two panels of 4x8 2-inch sheeting. I got two cedar boards, and then I got cling wrap, and it was about $60 total. When you take out your panels, there's this little metal brace in the back, but and I'll get to that in a second. But you want to just trace them over those 4x8 sheets, and then start cutting a line. I just used a bread knife, it worked perfect. I cut it on the floor first, and then I lifted it up to finish the cuts. But on those panels, there's these metal brackets that you get, and you want to put them back in. And what I did is I took the metal brackets and I pinched it over the cedar wood, and then you'll see another picture here. Then I cling wrapped it, and the goal here is to give it that kind of like that drainage. So it's thicker in the middle, and it kind of planes out the ends. So then when it rains, the water will roll off the hot tub. So that's the goal. And I used, like I said, cedar, so it's treated. So I do wrap it also in plastic so that to protect it from the water, but it is treated. So next I taped it really good. I just wanted to make sure that everything stayed in place before I wrapped it, and just to give it some more extra bracing so I figured it wouldn't hurt. And before I wrap though, you'll see in the next video, I actually vacuumed it. The vacuuming took longer than most of it because, as most of you know, working with styrofoam is a pain. After I vacuumed all the styrofoam up, I wrapped it and wrapped it and wrapped it and wrapped it, and then at the end I taped over it again. So lots of ripping.